Alright, let's find the value of x in this equation using completing the square. Solution. First, let's simplify this. So, cross multiply and rearrange to have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we are going to rearrange this equation to conform to this general form of quadratic equation. Alright, so we have x minus 5 divided by 3 is equals to 2 over x. We are cross multiplying. So we have here x bracket x minus 5 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3. Open the bracket. So and collect like terms. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 5 is minus 5x. This is equal to 6. Okay, this is same as x raised to power 2 minus 5x. So minus 6 crossing equality sign is what? Minus 6 equals to 0. It has conformed to this equation where our a is 1, b is minus 5, c is minus 6. Okay? Alright. Now, this is the equation we are solving. To solve x raised to power 2 minus 5x minus 6 equals to 0 using completing the square. Okay? Using completing the square. Please, for our previous lesson on completing the square, check my playlist. Okay? Also, you can see formula method and factorization. Alright. First thing to know is that coefficient of x squared must be 1. Okay? Already here it is 1, so we are not going to divide with any number. Second method, move the constant term to right hand side. So we have move c to right hand side. So we have here x raised to power 2 minus 5x is equal to 6. Good. Then the third method is divide, take half square, add half square the coefficient of x to both sides. So coefficient of x here is minus 5. Then half is minus 5 divided by 2. Okay. Then square is minus 5 over 2 all raised to power 2. This is same as minus 5 times minus 5 divided by 2. So we have here 25 over 4. So this 25 over 4 is what we are going to add to both sides of the equation. Add 25 over 4 to both sides. Good. X squared minus 5x then plus this 25 over 4 is equal to positive 6 plus 25 over 4. Okay. Now simplify the right hand side and simplify the left hand side. Simplifying, so simplifying, I will have x minus 5 over 2. Okay? All raised to power 2. This is the perfect square for this expression. If you expand this, you will have this. Good. Is equal to, here now, we have 4 as our LCM. There is invisible one here. 4 divided by this one is 4 times 6. So I can have 6 times 4 here. Then plus 25 times 1. Why? Because 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then that 1 times 25, that is what we have here. So over here we have x minus 5 over 2, the all raised to the power 2 is equals to 24 plus 25 all divided by 4, which is same as 49, okay, 49 over 4. Square root of both sides, okay, so I can have here all in square root of bracket x minus 5 over 2 all raised to the power 2 is equals to square root of, remember when you are taking square root is positive or minus, square root of 49 over 4. Good. Now these two here can cancel this radical sign. I will have x minus 5 over 2 is equals to plus or minus. Root 49 is 7. Root 4 is what? 2. Okay? Root 4 is 2. Remember this thing is same as root 49 over root 4. Good. So we have 7 and what? 2. V. Then the fourth here is our IV. So V here is solve for x. Solve for x. Okay? So x will now be this minus 5 over 2 moving this way. You have positive 5 over 2. Then this is our plus and minus. Plus and minus 7 over 2. Good. So this is same as 5 plus or minus 7 all divided by 2 because they have the same LCM or denominator. So I will have x is equal to, they have the same denominator. So that is 5 plus or minus 7. Now 5 plus 7 over 2 or 5 minus 7 over 2. Good. This will give us 5 plus 7 is what? 12. 12 over 2 or 5 minus 7 over 2, that is minus 2 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6 or minus 2 divided by 2 is what? Minus 1. Alright, so this is the value, x is equals to 6 or minus 1. So this is the value of this expression. A quick recap, please. When you're given this type of equation, first, cross multiply and form a quadratic equation in this form, which we have done here. Okay, then apply the step-by-step method in solving, completing the square, which we have considered in the first part of this lesson. Okay, so we have coefficient of x squared is already 1. We are not going to divide, but assuming it was 2x squared, we are going to divide through by 2. Already our a here is what? 1. We are no more dividing. Then move this constant term to the right hand side so that we have this. Then we have this. Take the half of the coefficient of x, square it, add it both sides, then solve for x. That's all. Alright, thank you for watching. For more on quadratic equation, check my previous lessons.